This is my first screen recording of the month of May. This month I'm just going to be completing my project. I'm going to be doing 6 screen recordings as I'm just going to be documenting the progress of the final month for me actually completing all of the project. For this week I just started another beat, and I got inspiration from this track. I couldn't actually find the original track, so I just due to copyright reasons on YouTube. But his instrumental remake of the actual beat that I sort of got some inspiration from. Yeah, that's the beat there. It's quite a simple beat. Just wanted to recreate something with the same sort of vibe. So, scrolling through some sample packs I had, and I found this sample here. I just put some simple effects on. I did a quick fuzzwell filter and a quick channel EQ, just boosting the highs and taking away a little bit of the mids, just where it was hitting there. Just a quick, simple 8-bar. After that, I just built the track on. I sort of built the track step by step, so I just by adding steps to the intro, then for the verse, chorus, etc. So after that, I just added a quick sub bass. Didn't feel this bass needed any effects to it. It's sort of already quite nice sounding. After that, I just added a little layer sound just to keep filling it out. Then I added a quick pluck sound, and for these two sounds, I didn't add many effects. I didn't feel it needed it, so I just kept them the same they were as from the VSTs I used it from. Also, I got these 2 instruments from the VST called Omnisphere as well. Then I did some percussion, some simple percussion. I just added some gain to both of them, as I didn't feel they were loud enough in the mix. I just put some quick gains, some simple reverb with the preset called Dream Hall, and quick channel EQ as well. This is what that sounded like. Then after that, I built off that. So then I added a quick 808 to the main sample. Just put some quick distortion on it, just with some drive, just to give it that grittiness to it. After that, I just layered it with a kick drum, bust that the whole way to really just hit through the bass and make the drums hit hard. For that, I just took out some of the low end, so the kick wasn't clashing with the bass with the same frequencies. Also, then added quick cymbal to make it just hit harder on the drop. Added some quick reverb and a channel EQ, boosting the highs a little bit. That's what this sounded like. Then I added a chant to just really fill out the beat with some delay, stereo delay on that. After that, I just added some other percussion, some open hats. Then I added a snare, some two snares to just really make that hit hard. Quick EQ bit on the high end as well, just to really make them hit through the mix, and as well layered that. And then also I added a quick stab sound, sort of just to emphasize the drop a lot more when everything kicked in. Then after that, I just added some simple hats on the next little bit here. Then for this bit, I just filtered. Yeah, I filtered the main sample, and just to bring this breakdown bit in, just to sort of give it that eeriness. This is what this sounded like. It's basically the same as the intro sample, actually. Then once after this little breakdown, I felt the beat needed something else, so I added some lead I found on Omnisphere, the VST Omnisphere, and I played around with the delay and the reverb on that, and this is what everything sounded like after that. Then I felt the lead needed a bit of like a backup sound in the background to sort of layer and really fill out the beat. And I found this sound on the ES2 synthesizer. I added some reverb with one of the presets called Descent. Fuzzwell filter to give it that eeriness of like, and then a compressor as well. This is what this sounded like. And yeah, that's it really for all of the sounds of this beat. I mean, I kept it quite simple, as I got the inspiration from the beat I shown earlier on in the video. So, and that beat wasn't that complex. I just wanted to recreate something like that. I'm gonna have a written. I'm gonna document the written underneath of this video of this week, and yeah.